Okay, moving on. See, in vSwitch, these are the key things which you should remember. I keep on asking you. So vSwitch is equal to VM port group plus VM kernel port. Repeating again, vSwitch is made up of two type of port or port group. One is called VM port group, other one is VM kernel port. VM kernel port is used by ESXi. Okay, VM port group is used by virtual machines. Okay, you can also mention like this. Used by VMs plus used by ESXi for management. Okay. Additional features like version. Right? Now, same thing here. vSwitch 0 is equal to VM network plus management network. Do you agree? Go and check your ESXi one. See here, I'll show you now. I'll show you now. Mm, 130 is not there, huh? Mm, okay, give me a. Did I connect?
186.
See now, virtual switches, vSwitch 0. So vSwitch 0, can you see VM network?
Sir.
Only VMs are there here, correct? And management network, only VM kernel or ESXi port is, see, this is ESXi IP now. Yeah, that's what I want you to know. Right. Now, write down headline, step by step procedure create VM port group to segregate connection network traffic. And I'll show you how to create it. Have a look into my screen. Can you see networking here? Here you see port groups, virtual switch, physical NIC. Currently I have only one physical NIC. Name of the NIC is what? And the driver it uses is VMX Net 3. Okay. And the VM kernel NICs VMK0. Can you see? This is the IP used for management purpose. Port group. I have two port group. One is called VM network, another one is called management network. Okay, right. Can you see an option called add a port group? I'll click on add a port group. Here I can give a name. Let's call it as production. Okay. VLAN ID, this will be provided by your networking team to segregate LAN. Okay. Security. So by default, you have options like promiscuous mode, MAC address changes, forged transmit. Okay. Promiscuous mode means a traffic which enters into a single port that would be made available to other ports. Okay, MAC address change is nothing but whenever a virtual machine moves from one host to another host, MAC address will change. 4G transmit means whenever a machine want to move from one host to another host, it will release the MAC address from one host. Okay, for this one you don't need to worry at this time. First you understand the concept, later I'll give theory to understand this detail. Okay, I'll keep this security down. So at this time we want a production port group. Can you see production port group is created?
Yes.
Now I want to segregate traffic to flow over this port. So as of now, I have two machine. Let me power on. Which machine is working, Mr. Nandan?
The first one.
This is working. I'll power on now. Setup is being restarted, so it is not completed yet. It will continue from okay, this is not the one. So we don't need any of this. Our machine is up, right? So we don't want this machine. I'll power it off. Navigate to OVAVM, open console. See, there is no IPS released. Can you see? Can you see? 192.168.1.115 is available over network. So who got this? I mean, who provided this machine IP? This is moving via what? Our physical NIC card only. See, I'll turn off firewall so that you can ping also. Can you ping 115, all of you, from your machines? Ping 115. It will ping now. 192.168.1.115. Pinging or not? Huh? Not pinging. Let's see now. It is 192.1.115. See, this network card will search for a DHCP server. Our DHCP server is 192.168.1.1. Since it is getting an IP address, which means what? It is communicating with my Wi-Fi router. In this diagram you have seen, right? See, there was a router here. Earlier I have written now. Like this, there was a router connected here. Correct? So this machine wants internet connection or network. So first it will ask vSwitch. Doesn't have any DHCP server. It will go and check through this, and it will connect. It will ask DHCP. Since DHCP server was available, your machine got 192.168.1.1 IP. Do you agree? It was showing gateway address as 1.1 now. Here. See, again it got 115. Okay, I'll fix like why it was not giving, not allowing to turn off. We usually turn off firewall to make it pingable. I will. So can you create a port group now? Carry on. Hello, May. No problem, May. No problem. Okay. Okay, May. Yes, I'm opening now. 1 minute, May.